Hi, my name is Gabriel. I found your website online when I Googled Bakersfield roofing companies. I work for an SEO company that specializes in getting local businesses ranked to the top of Google. So I Googled Bakersfield roofing and I found your page, Garcia Roofing, on page two of Google, which is not bad, but getting from page two to page one of Google will dramatically increase the amount of calls you receive. At minimum, it would double the amount of calls you receive. So I just wanted to give you some tips about things you can do to improve your ranking on Google. Your website looks really good. I'm not sure if you have a web developer or you did it yourself, but these are pretty simple to do. You can have them do it, or you can do it yourself, or we can do it for you amongst many other things to help you increase your ranking. So the first thing we do is we take your URL and we plug it into this tool we have for the metadata. I already have you plugged in here. So this title is how Google finds your site. This is what communicates with Google. So they see as your title Garcia Roofing performs commercial. That can be confusing for Google. What you would want it to say would be something, for instance, for Bakersfield. Keyword would be Bakersfield Roofing. That way, Google knows that's what your site does. You know where it is. And I see you you also work in California, Arizona, Nevada. We could get you ranked for Google for those keywords as well if you want. You know, it's something we can work on with you. So that and the headings. You have two headings right here for your H1 headings. That confuses Google a lot too. But that's another thing you would want to put, for instance, roofing contractors. That way Google knows, you know, what it is you do. It makes it easier for people to locate you. And your H2 headings says why us. So that's the kind of stuff that you see right here where it says Garcia Roofing performs. You know, it'd be better if it said roofing Bakersfield or roofing, you know, Phoenix or whatever cities you know primarily do in other states. So these two things alone will dramatically increase your rankings on Google. With us, you'll see results within a month. You'll greatly increase your revenue. If you're looking to grow your business, the best way to do it is to get to the top of Google, and that's what we do. It's guaranteed, works every time. If that's something you're interested in, reply to this email, contact me and we can get something started. Thank you for your time.